When your Jazzy Select 6 arrives, it will be in 2 boxes, one for the base unit and the other for the seat. Cut the bands with a pair of cutters and open the boxes. On the top of the packaging, you will find the owner's packet and the Quick Start Guide. The owner's packet will contain the owner's manual, wire ties, 4mm Allen wrench, and optional scuff guards. Once you have removed all of the components from the boxes, you will be ready to assemble the unit. Begin by placing the seat on the seat post, and then the headrest on the backrest. Tighten by the adjustment knob provided. Place the lower armrest in the receiver tube and tighten the set screw with the 4mm Allen wrench. Place the top of the armrest in the lower setting inside the armrest. Repeat on the other side. Determine which side the joystick will be mounted. The armrests are universal, meaning they are not side-specific. Place the joystick mount in the armrest slot and tighten the set screw with the 4mm Allen wrench. Use the wire ties to secure the harness to the armrest. Connect the joystick 4-pin connector to the power module connector and finish securing the harness to the armrest. Note: always have the armrest in the upward position to ensure there is enough slack in the harness. Cut off the excess wire tie ends flush so that there are no chances of the end user being scratched or cut. Turn the unit on and test for proper operation. Freewheel levers are located on each side of the unit. The optional scuff guards mount on the front of the shroud by the power access cover. That is the setup for a Jazzy Select 6. Thank you.